Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Use an 8 mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crank puller. Use a 16 mm wrench to turn in the direction of the front of the vehicle and remove the crank. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the chain cover. Remove the chain cover. Remove the chain from the chainring. Install the bottom bracket sleeve. Use a chainring spline removal tool to press the sleeve tightly. Fix the crank on the other side first. Use an open-ended wrench to loosen the chainring in the direction of the front wheel. Remove the chainring spline removal tool. Remove the chainring. Install the chainring. Apply thread locking adhesive to the chainring. Screw on the chainring. Install the bottom bracket sleeve. Use a chainring spline removal tool to press the sleeve tightly. Fix the crank on the other side first. Use an open-ended wrench to tighten the chainring in the direction of the rear wheel. Remove the chainring spline removal tool. Install the chain. Install the chain cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the cranks on both sides in opposite directions along the same straight line. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screw. Confirm that it rotates normally.